Yeah. Bob Ross, he died young. He died at 50. His paintings are worth a lot of money now. Maybe when I die, my paintings will be worth something. Right, Mom? And my smoke detector is chirping. Bobby, I'm sorry. You live to be 10. And my clock has stopped that I bought in Fiji. I got it from this guy on the beach after I got married in 1995. The second hand is going, but the hour hand and the minute hand... This is weird. Alright, I'm heading off. I got a dental appointment. Another one bites the dust. And I don't know why, but my TV set keeps turning off. This is weird. Oh. Another eclipse.